Subscribe to Femina and press the bell icon.
Hi everybody, my name is Pavleen Gujral and you're watching me on Femina.in. Today I'm going to show you some asanas for beginners. अगर आप पहली बार योगा कर रहे हैं, then the one thing that you should pay attention to is your breathing, because the breathing is the base of yoga. So start by sitting in the Yogasana, which is the Padmasana, this lotus pose. Now I am sitting in a half lotus pose with one leg over the other. I'm still not able to put the other leg over the other, that is the full lotus pose. So we sit in Padmasana, we put our hands on our knees and we start by deep breathing. So take a very deep breath through your nostrils and try and take the air inside your stomach, deep inside your body. So let's start with that. Now hold it there and exhale. So always start yoga with a couple of deep breaths. And then if you're a beginner at yoga, I suggest to go very slow. Now we are going to start with the Paschimottanasana, which is the forward, sitting down forward bend. So first off, we start with the legs absolutely straight. We stretch our upper body up with our arms up into the air and inhale. And as we exhale, bend down from your lower back and try and touch your feet and try and touch your forehead on the knees. And as soon as you've reached where that's your maximum point, let go. And just place your palms on the floor. Stay there and breathe. And as you come up, just stretch your body forward and then come up. Put your arms at the back and try and raise your hips above in the air. Stay there. This is a nice anti-stretch. Now there are 3 stages to reaching this asana. One is with one leg folded. This is how you prepare your body to go into the Paschimottanasana. So you fold one foot into the inside as you can. You raise your upper body up again. Inhale and exhale. As you exhale, bend forward and touch the floor. Try and touch your forehead on your knee. Stay there. You can even touch your feet fingers with your hand and just stay there. Remember, as you come up, bend forward and then come up. Similarly, you do it with the other leg. Stay there as much as you can. Don't push yourself a lot, because then you'll end up not doing yoga again. So just do the poses which you're comfortable with. This is what you should start with, because it's easier for the floor asanas. So fold your foot as closer to the thigh as possible. Raise your upper body up. Inhale, exhale. Again, hold your feet. Stay there. Try and touch your forehead on the knee. Stay there. Breathe. And exhale. So these are some asanas that you could do on the floor. Now I'm going to show you something that you could do standing. Stand absolutely straight, shoulders behind. Now raise your arm, stretch yourself to the ceiling, stretch, 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 and come down. Now inhale. As you exhale, bend down from your lower back. Bend down and stay there. And again, try and touch your head onto your knees. Remember, your legs should be absolutely straight. Stay there, breathe. And then exhale and come up. Just take your foot, place it on your thigh. Now this is pure balance. So what you have to do is you have to pick a point in the air and raise your arms and breathe. This is the tree pose. Stay there and exhale. Now you can do it with the other leg. Inhale. Stay there, breathe on the spot. And also pick a spot for you to concentrate on. Stay there. Exhale. And back. So I hope you enjoy your first day of yoga, or if you've just started doing yoga, I hope this helps, and wish you a happy journey with yoga. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina.